Staying fit and healthy. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is not always easy, but it's very important. To stay fit, you need to have a balance between a good diet and a regular exercise. I try to go to the gym at least 3 times a week. When I don't have time for the gym, I take a long walk in the park. Exercise makes me feel more energetic and reduce my stress. Eating healthy is the other part of the puzzle. I try to eat a lot of vegetables, fruits, and protein. I avoid eating too much sugar or fried food. Drinking enough water is also essential. I try to drink at least 2 liters every day. Finally, getting enough sleep is very important for the body to recover. I usually sleep for 7 or 8 hours. If you follow these simple steps, you will feel much better and live a longer life. Elementary 12. My dream job. Everyone has a dream job when they are young. When I was a child, I wanted to be an astronaut, but now my dream is different. I want to be a professional travel photographer. I love traveling to new places and meeting new people. I also enjoy taking beautiful pictures of landscapes and buildings. In my dream job, I would travel to different countries every month. I would see the mountains in Switzerland and deserts in Africa and the old streets of Japan. I would write a blog and share my photos with the world. I know that being a photographer is not always easy because you have to carry heavy equipment and work in different weather conditions. However, I think it's the most exciting job in the world. I am currently taking photography classes to achieve my dream.